Hello and welcome to another episode where we help you stay away from fake news and about the coronavirus and about the lockdown that's related to it. First up is a message that's circulating on social media and on WhatsApp that is being attributed to the Tata Health Services, and this message claims that every household in India should have a coronavirus toolkit in their homes. This message has not been circulated by Tata Health Services. They have denied ever sharing such a message. The link coming with this message, however, directs to the Tata Health Services website, and that is correct, but the message accompanying it is misleading. The coronavirus toolkit recommended by this message includes paracetamols and vitamin B complex tablets. It includes tablets for taking vapor tablets for taking steam. Apart from these measures, which are not harmful, of course, you can go ahead and do these for general health or general protection against the flu or such infections or for boosting your immunity, but this may not specifically help if you're dealing with the COVID-19. So do not self-medicate if you feel like you have COVID-19 like symptoms during these times. Always consult a doctor either online or call them or go to the hospital if you must. Apart from this message also suggests that all households keep an oxygen cylinder or an oximeter at homes. Now, an oxygen cylinder is not recommended to be used without medical supervision. Only in extremely desperate circumstances that there are reports that some patients who have coronavirus and their carers are taking oxygen cylinders home and supplying oxygen for patients having breathing difficulties, but they are being supervised by people who know how to operate an oxygen cylinder. Doctors say that one should not try to operate an oxygen cylinder without any medical supervision. Now, a fake message is circulating on social media and via instant messaging platforms that the All India Council for Technical Education has circulated a form which is seeking inputs from students on the conduct of exams. Now remember, all exams have been suspended since March. All schools, colleges, educational institutes are shut since March due to the coronavirus pandemic as a safeguard for all students. Now, amid all of these, exams, of course, have also been suspended. Now, this Google form being circulated is fake and it seeks inputs from students on the conduct of exams. Remember, there's been a huge debate about whether or not to conduct last semester exams, whether or not to conduct semester exams at all for other students. So, many students feel like they should go ahead and take exams because they want to better their scores. Some say that some fear the risk of contracting the virus and they do not want to go ahead with exams. So there is a debate raging, and amid the confusion, now this form has appeared which seeks to do nothing but to really take personal information from those people who actually click on the link and answer the various questions there. So do not fall for this. And finally, you may have seen reports that claim that the COVID-19 peak in India will come in mid-November and that it has been delayed by the 8-week lockdown that was imposed since March. The ICMR that this study is being attributed to has distanced itself, saying that this is not the official position of the Indian Council of Medical Research. That's all this time. Thanks for watching.